It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. As refined as it is rugged, this truck is ready for the job site, campsite, or city lights. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, rear parking sensors, smartphone wireless charging, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive finds the Chevy Colorado is designed for the owner who wants the utility of a pickup at hand but doesn't regularly tow or haul heavy loads. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads